What are direct object pronouns and how do we use them in Italian? In general, pronouns are usually used when we don't want to repeat over and over something previously mentioned. For example, last week I started a book that I really like. I bet I can finish it by the end of this week. I used it in the second sentence instead of repeating book. It is the direct object pronoun and it is referring to book. How do I know if I have a direct object? Every time we can ask the question what or who, we have a direct object. Let's take a look at the following sentences. Laura eats the red apple. Can we ask a question using what? We can probably ask more than one question with this sentence, but if we can ask what, then we have a direct object. To formulate the question, we use the same verb and subject from our sentence. The question would be, what does Laura eat? The red apple is the answer, and thus it is the direct object. Let's try with another sentence. I invite John to my party. Can we ask a question using who? If so, we have a direct object. The question would be, who do you invite to your party? John is the answer, the direct object. The red apple and John can be substituted with a direct object pronoun, respectively it and him. So the original sentences become Laura eats it, I invite him to my party. What are the direct object pronouns in Italian? In this table we have a list of the Italian direct object pronouns. We have a singular column and a plural column. We're going to start with the singular column. Me, in English me. Ti, in English you singular. La, in English you formal. La or L' for her or it. And lo or L' for him or it. The plural column. Ci, us. Vi, you all. Le, them, feminine. Li, them, masculine, or with feminine and masculine together. How do we use them? Let's start with a simple example. Viola mangia la mela. Viola eats an apple. Let's see if we can ask a question using what. Che cosa mangia Viola? What does Viola eat? La mela, the apple. The apple is a direct object. It's feminine and singular. So from our list on the table that I showed you earlier, the pronoun for it, feminine singular, is la. Our sentence becomes Viola la mangia. Viola eats it. We place the direct object pronoun before the verb. Next, let's look at another example. Noi invitiamo I nostri amici e le nostre amiche alla festa. We invite our male and female friends to our party. Chi invitiamo alla festa? Who do we invite to our party? Our female and male friends. Here, in this case, we have two groups of people, and it's a mixed gender, so we have feminine and masculine plural. We'll use the masculine plural pronoun for them, li. Li invitiamo alla festa. We invite them to the party. Another example. Voi portate a me e Marco a casa. You take Marco and me home. Chi portate a casa? Who do you take home? Me and Marco. Me e Marco. Ci portate a casa. You take us home. In this video, we showed you how to use direct object pronouns in a positive sentence at the present tense.